There's two ways to practice with the metronome. One is to put the metronome on quarter notes. Here I have it set at 85. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Left hand is eighth notes. So you got 2 notes in the left hand for every click. You can try any bass line you want. It's always on the quarter note. So the trick with this is to think of the metronome on beats 2 and 4. They're like a backbeat. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 4. You can just count 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. To me, this is the most fun way. But most boogies are not played this slow. They're played between 90 and 100 beats per minute if this is the half note. So let's put it at 95, right in the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Works with any bass line. That's why I love playing with the metronome, is because when you put it on the 2 and 4, it really sounds like the backbeat, like what the snare drum is hitting, and it sounds like you're playing with the whole band. It's really fun.